So now we will write a program here where we will ask user to enter three sides of a triangle, and using that we will calculate the area. For that I will create three variable here. Let's say I will create here a, and a is equals to, I'll write input function, and inside it I'll write a message that is enter side 1. Okay, and now I need to typecast this input function to float. Okay, so I'll write here a float, and inside it I'll write the input function. Okay, so now I will create another variable that is b is equals to, I'll write here a float and input, and inside it I'll write enter side 2. And similarly I will copy this statement, and I'll paste it below, and I'll make this b to c, and this side 2 to side 3. Okay, so now whatever the user will enter, the side 1 that is stored inside this a variable, and the side 2 will stored inside this b variable, and this side 3 will store inside this c variable. So now we will calculate the area of the triangle. So the formula of the area is root over of s whole into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Okay, so we need to calculate the s. So the formula of s is a plus b plus c whole divided by 2. So I'll write here s is equals to a plus b plus c, and now whole divided by 2. Okay, and now I will calculate the area. So the area is equals to, I will write here s whole into s minus a. Okay, so here I need to specify the star. Okay, s into s minus a into s minus b, and then into s minus c. Okay, and now I want to calculate the root over of this entire expression. So for that I will write here star star 0.5. that means this entire expression to the power 0.5. Okay, so now I will simply print here the I will write a message here, the area is, and here I'll write comma area. Okay, so this is the entire program, and let's run it. Now you can see it is asking enter side 1. I will enter here, let's say 5, and side 2 let's say 6, and side 3 will be 10, and if I hit enter, then you can see it is printing the area.